After exploring the art and food scene at Ililicao Artist Village, our Baguio food trip continued with a visit to one of the most recommended spots for authentic Cordilleran cuisine, ang Farmer's Daughter Restaurant. Farmer's Daughter have two branches. Isa sa Tamawan Village, Longlong Road, at yung isa naman ay sa Marcos Highway. Doon kami kumain sa Marcos Highway branch since it was on the way pabalik ng Manila. They serve authentic Cordilleran cuisine at sobrang interesting ng mga pagkain nila. We ordered Kinuday Gen Baka, smoked beef na sobrang flavorful, pinikpikan, isang igorot chicken dish na may traditional way of preparation, at Sendad Gen Baka, boiled beef ribs with Highland vegetables. At syempre, hindi natin pwedeng palampasin ang famous ube cake nila. Soft, moist, and just the right sweetness. Lahat ng in-order namin, super sarap at talagang authentic ang lasa. Pero ang pinaka nakakagulat, very affordable. We were 4 in the group and we only spent a little over 1,000 pesos. Sulit na sulit! Kung gusto nyo matikman ang totoong Cordilleran dishes, Farmer's Daughter is a must visit. Perfect spot to cap off your Baguio trip. Watch out for more food and travel adventures. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Bye!